So I bought a HIIT H7 ProForm, and after assembly I was getting some squeaky noise on this side, and I thought it was the inside bearings at first, and I used some of this to try to take care of the squeak, and that did not stop it. So as I came on back, I was trying to listen to the noise. I saw that this actually is moving. I sprayed some in here and the squeak went away. So apparently this comes loose, so I'm going to tighten it up. The squeak is gone because I think the squeak was coming into this area, not so much the bearings, where a lot of people have been pointing out that they think the bearings are gone bad or something's in there rubbing. This took care of the squeak, so I'm going to tighten it up and see if that fixes it. And I think that's it. That's the problem that everybody was complaining about. It's a brand new machine, gives you a great workout, and it's just, there's a lot of weight on these 2 points, and I think just not getting these bolts down caused the squeak. So I tightened these and the squeak went away. That's what it was on the right pedal. The bolt somehow got loose from use, and it wasn't the bearings, it was those bolts. And once these bolts were tightened on the sides and the top, the squeak went away. So check your bolts before you complain about bearings inside. That's what I was thinking, but working bike out, it was the bolts, and that took care of it. Everything else is good to go.